Vishmila Raman Rome, how are you all? Look, I'm making a short video for you people. This wasn't a proper set, so my video got quite delayed. You all are asking me what you should make. Look, this is the corner. Its sleeves have bunches. Okay, the last pair is mashallah. All of these will sell out. The neckline and everything else, you will get all of this for 150. It will look like this on the sleeves. You can place it here or there as you wish. This 150 is made with full cut work, okay? And look at the work. It's very beautiful. It's a lovely 150. I am showing you one. Take a screenshot of the one you like and send it to me. All right, look here. Check out this neckline even with swagas. Okay, this is the neckline. I am showing this to you. It has a slight fold. I will remove it. Look at this neckline, okay? It's a very lovely neckline. And along with it, there are 3 bunches, okay? 3 bunches are included. So what's the deal with this? Look, there is some fault that comes with them, okay? Look at this. You see carefully, the stitching is absolutely right. There are no misses anywhere. But this border is a bit far and that one is closer. Only this one has a fold. Therefore, I am offering the 2R50 set to you for 200. You are getting 3 bunches in this, friend. Look, this is also a very beautiful border. Look how lovely this border is. And this is a mixture piece of 2.25 gas, okay? I will give this also for 200. This is also the last piece and I will also give you this for 200, okay? You will get a very lovely 200. All right, look at this border. This is also the final one, okay, the last border, and it is very beautiful, priced at 150. You will receive 1 meter for the amount of 150. Okay, this border is so very beautiful. One is parrot green border, okay? Lovely with the 150 neckline. And this one, I have also informed you about the color. It is above commit dull golden. Okay, it's a fancy neckline. One has this color with the same design. One has this blue color. I have told you the color. It is very beautiful. You will get it for 150 each. Okay. You will get each for 150. It's a very lovely set, my friend. You are getting the front and back of your daman. Okay, these front and back for your daman, just look at the work. It's so beautiful. You are getting the front and back for the daman and you are getting the selvage. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, I had given you 150. I had given you this border for 150. Look, I have left a little. I have given you the other side made and this benefits you, sir. You are also getting the sleeves. The set is coming to you for 350. Understood? The sleeves are coming to you at a very reasonable price. Okay, it's 350 for you. I currently have 2 or 3 sets available which include the border of the sleeve and this friend's border. So whoever needs them, you all should please take a screenshot and send it to me immediately. Each several brat lacks a neckline. Today you get it for 100 instead of 150. You will get velvet, my friend. I'm offering it at a very reasonable price and see it has a very soft neckline. One is orange color and one is parrot green. Whatever color you need for 100. This was a bud. I have 1 bud left. This came quite over the velvet. You can make a center panel with this for any child's front neck. Look, the entire front was made and so on. It was a very lovely thing. I will give this to you for 150. This is a very lovely thing, my friend. Okay, you will get it for 150. It has been arranged. I had received many of these. This one has also been sold. For any child, you can make any style with it. You can make any small child's chester with it. It has one side plain, whatever you like. It is on one side, it's okay and small in length. Its cut is in kurti style, okay. This kind of border is made like this. It is made in sargal, it is complete, so it is ready. And this thing, okay, very lovely. I will give it to you for 350.